10-4, show you turning eastbound to Fulbright. 10-4, 1037. Still on the brake. TVM. F4 TVM. F4 TVI, should you? Fulbright. F4 westbound Fulbright. Wrecked out. F4 wrecked out.
.42's out with him.
F4.
Did he run? Is he running?
What's the reason? I'll put white metal, black shirt. That's for flat on foot, white male, black shirt, heading towards Washington Regional.
Right here. Get on the ground. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. Put your hands behind your back. Well over 10:15, 1 mile.
10-15, 1 mile.
You're real smart, ain't you? Well,
You said you were trying to pull over and that's it?
Yeah, and you kept running. I was trying to find a good spot. Okay.
You could have hit the shoulder, dude.
I hit you and you kept going, so I'm not going to believe that.
Well, someone could have.
Loading up.
Sit up. Alright, you're going to stand up on your own, but I'm going to help you up, okay? Get up. Put your leg under you. Put your foot under you, stand up.
I'm sorry, sir.
I'll check real quick.
I'm sorry,
okay? Just stand up.
I'm sorry, dude. I'm literally
Time for being sorry is over, dude.
Dude, it's...
Stand up.
I was literally trying to...
That's a special kind of stupid, dude.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Stand up. 1, 2, 3. Well, start at 10:16. You're standing right here.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, yeah.
Nothing that's going to poke me, is there?
No, nothing at all.
You didn't throw nothing?
Nothing at all. Swear to God. I was literally trying to stop for you.
I think you have plenty of time to stop. Is your ID in here?
No, sir.
Is it in the car?
I got my passport in the car.
Do you have a driver's license?
I do.
How much have you had to drink?
Not much at all.
Because you smell like alcohol.
Dude, I'm sorry. I was literally trying to pull it.
Don't say sorry to me.
No, I'm not sorry.
Well, you just said you're sorry.
I was just saying, I was trying to pull it for y'all. I'm sorry.
Alright, walk back there to that passenger side of my car.
Okay.
Walk right over there.
Give it straight.
Yeah, 500. Stop right there. Have a seat there.
Did you check my phones over there?
I'll go look. You shouldn't have ran on foot and you would have dropped nothing.
Dude, yeah. Yeah, that's scary, man.
Well, I mean, you could have pulled over.
Fucking, I did try to.
You don't think the shoulder of the interstate's a good spot to pull
Honestly,
over?
yeah, yes, sir.
Alright. Here, put these around your neck. Those are yours, right?